Welcome to Math Lab. Today, you're on your journey to discover exponents and powers. What are exponents? The exponent of a number says how many times to use the number in multiplication. So, 8 square is equal to 8 into 8. 8 is called the base. 2 is called the exponent or index or power. A to the power of n is equal to a into a taken n times. However, these are all positive exponents. What about something like 8 to the power minus 1? Look at the exponent. Isn't it negative? Negative? What is the opposite or inverse of multiplying? Isn't it dividing? A negative exponent means how many times to divide by the number. So, 8 to the power minus 1 is nothing but 1 divided by 8. The exponent was minus 1, so you're dividing 1 time. To discover how to make a negative exponent positive, you are provided with a lab observation sheet and a strip of numbers written in blue background. Look carefully at these numbers. All these numbers have positive exponents. If you turn the number strip over, you will find that the color of your strip has changed to orange and all these numbers have negative exponents. Let us consider the following problem. How do we write 2 to the power minus 1 as a positive exponent? First, place 2 to the power minus 1 in the orange space provided on your lab observation sheet. Note carefully the cross sign. So, 2 to the power minus 1 flips over and is written as 2 to the power 1 in the blue space provided. So observe the cross sign, 1 goes to the numerator. Can we say that 2 to the power minus 1 by 1 is nothing but 1 by 2? If we cross multiply, we can write 2 power minus 1 into 2 is equal to 1. A reciprocal or multiplicative inverse is one of a pair of numbers that when multiplied together equal 1. The multiplicative inverse of a power minus 1 is 1 by a, as a to the power minus 1 into a is equal to 1. How do we make 1 by 3 power minus 1 as a positive index? Place 3 to the power minus 1 in the orange space. Now observe the cross sign. Flip 3 to the power minus 1 over and bring it to the blue space provided. So right here we have flipped and brought 1 by 3 power minus 1 to the space provided. You can write 1 in the denominator. So can we say 1 by 3 power minus 1 is nothing but 3? Is 3 into 3 to the power minus 1 equal to 1? Is 3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 to the power minus 1? Can we say that the multiplicative inverse of 1 by a to the power minus 1 is nothing but a? How do we write a by b to the power minus 1? Isn't this nothing but a to the power minus 1 by b to the power minus 1? Can you use both the formulas that you just learned? Can this be equal to b by a? Have fun discovering exponents and powers.